Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What's your name?
My name is Max.
Max. How old are you, Max?
I'm happy.
4. I'm 4.
4.
Poland. Where are you from?
Never from Vietnam.
Okay, how are you today? I'm
happy.
happy. High five, teacher. High five. High five. Oh, okay. Now let's start. Okay. What color is it, Max? Brown.
Brown.
Okay, this one.
Green.
Okay, this one.
Yellow.
Very good. This one.
Orange.
Okay, what shape is it?
Square.
Okay, what shape is it? Red.
What color?
Okay, how about this one?
Triangle.
Okay, how about this one? Sir.
Circle.
Okay, who's this, Max?
Daddy.
Daddy, who's this?
Mommy.
Very good, who's this?
Spider.
Brother, who's this?
Sister.
Okay, what's this? Ooh. Okay, where is this?
I got
Lee.
yellow.
Lee.
Square.
Living. Okay,
Okay,
toilet. Okay, ganyan. Where is this, Max? Max, where is this? Oh, wow, very good. Okay, where is this, Max? Bed.
Bedroom.
Okay, what's this?
Cat.
Cat. What's the sound of cat?
Meow.
Oh, very good. What's this?
Meow.
Fish.
Fish.
Okay, what's the sound of fish? Okay, what's this, Max? Mouse. What's the sound of mouse? Okay, what's this, Max? Dog. What's the sound of dog? Wow, very good. Max, how many dogs? One. Okay. Max, how many fish?
2.
Oh, very good. So that's our speaking test. Thank you, Max.
Teacher.
Very